The legal community is reacting to the police video, and they seem to agree it may not provide much proof of anything. West 2's Amanda Ober continues her live team coverage. And Amanda, you showed two experts this tape. What are they saying?
Well, Martha, what's interesting is one of the attorneys I talked to thinks the video may actually show that Zimmerman was injured. But regardless, both attorneys said the way the stand your ground law is written, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be hurt to claim self-defense.
See it right there? You can see it when he gets a profile that this camera will pick up.
Former state prosecutor Jeff Dean believes in the surveillance video you can see a lump on the back of George Zimmerman's head.
It looks like there's a lump.
It looks like there's a lump there. It's right there, and it's below his scalp.
But lump or not, Dean says whether Zimmerman has injuries will not make or break his self-defense claim under the Stand Your Ground law.
So the fact that George Zimmerman is not incapacitated and not bleeding all over the place doesn't necessarily negate the self-defense.
It doesn't at all. And the problem with the law is that the law doesn't let the jury decide this. And that's where the frustration is.
Dean says Stand Your Ground requires police must prove Zimmerman did not act in self-defense in order to press charges. Otherwise, Zimmerman's claim that he feared for his life is taken at its word.
Yes, there was a fairly publicized case from Miami just last week where the person who claimed self-defense actually pursued the person, shot him. It was on video, and the judge had to throw the case out under this law.
Criminal defense attorney Richard Hornsby says he's anxious to know if anyone took photographs of Zimmerman's alleged injuries at the scene. But like Dean, he says injuries don't have to be present to claim self-defense.
The issue isn't whether or not he got the pulp beat out of him. The question is, at the moment that Trayvon Martin was allegedly on top of him, did he feel like he had any other choice but to shoot Trayvon to get Trayvon to cease beating on him and to get off him? That's the key question.
Zimmerman's attorney has been asked if there are any photographs or x-rays of possible injuries to his client, but he's not commenting on evidence in this case, so at this point we don't know if that material exists. Martha?